Qinux Klampero is marketed as a fast, foolproof chainsaw sharpener that restores your blade in minutes. But the real question is whether it actually works or just looks good in ads. What it actually is, Qinux Klampero is a manual, guide-based sharpener that clamps onto your chainsaw bar and helps you file at a consistent angle. This type of tool is real and commonly used. What it actually does well, consistent sharpening angle. The guide system helps beginners avoid uneven filing, which is a real benefit. Quick touch-ups. You can sharpen without removing the chain, making it faster than traditional methods. Beginner-friendly. It's designed for users with little to no experience. Where it gets questionable, heavy marketing, weak independent proof. Most positive reviews come from promotional or affiliate pages, not real testing. Generic product pattern. This exact design exists widely under different names. Qinux is likely just a rebranded version of a common tool. Build quality concerns. Many similar low-cost sharpeners have cheap materials, inconsistent fit, short lifespan. So is it real or fake? Short answer, real but overhyped. The concept works, guided sharpening tool. The branding and claims are exaggerated. Quality and reliability are uncertain. Bottom line, Qinux Klampero is not a scam, but it's not special either. It's a basic guide-style sharpener that can help beginners, but it's likely a generic product sold with heavy marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.